Jumbo everybody, and welcome to this episode of Beth's Best, your home for room tours, guides, and reviews. We are at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Jambo House, and we just checked into a standard view one-bedroom villa. This is 5544. Let's check it out. We are starting off in the kitchen. That's the door right there. I love that the rooms here, the standard value and the Savannah View one bedrooms all have this wonderful island. It's not quite as impressive as the island at Kidani, where you can actually sit at it, but I think it's super functional space. I'm glad that they added that several years ago. And I actually think that these kitchens, surprisingly, have more storage space than the rooms at Kidani. If you haven't already seen my review of a one bedroom at Kidani, definitely check that out. I'll put the link here. But you've got a full-size fridge, which is perfect if you've got a family with you, or you just want to make some meals in your room or snacks and things like that. You've got an oven, stovetop, microwave, so pretty much anything that you want to make from home you could certainly make here. Dishwasher, which I think is perfect. Just really a functional space. And you do get glassware and things like that that come with your DVC villa. And then the kitchen opens up to the dining space and the living room. So most of the one-bedroom units here at Jambo House are lock-off. So there's a studio next to us. If you were booking a two-bedroom suite, you can just connect through this door. If you haven't already seen it, I do have a video on another standard view two-bedroom unit, which is both the studio and the one-bedroom. I'll also add the link for that here. But this is going to be the door to the room, the studio next door. And then we've also got this closet, which is perfect for, tucking your luggage and just rolling it and getting it right out of the way. And then we've got the standard dinette area, kitchen area for these rooms at Jambo. So you can probably seat 5 here, which the room does sleep 5, so that makes a lot of sense. And then you head over into the living room area. So moving right to the living room, this couch does pull out into a kind of small queen or full-size sleeper sofa. And then because this room sleeps 5, this chair will also pull out into a twin-size sleeper. So the room definitely is tight with them both open, but totally doable. And then you've got 4 small-size drawers for storage in this room, in addition to the closet. The hallway towards the actual bedroom for the one-bedroom unit and the bathroom, the one and only bathroom, is right over here. We'll see that next. Coming down into the hallway, you've got your washer and dryer. All of the DVC units that are one bedroom or larger do have a stackable washer and dryer, which is perfect if you're here for a longer period of time, or if you have a family with you with small children. You do a lot of laundry, so this works out really nicely. And then you've got the entrance to the bathroom, and then which is the one and only bathroom, and then you've also got the one bedroom as well. We've got this giant soaker tub with jets. It's the only shower tub area in the bathroom, so it does have a shower head. And you guys know, if you watch my channel, you know I love this tile, so this is everything for me. The shower curtain is also great too. It's just so bright and lively. And then we have the water closet with the toilet right behind us with a private door, so that's kind of nice that even though it's only the one bathroom, you can kind of divide the space. And we have some drawers, some shelves over here in the corner that you can use to tuck your stuff. And then we've got a large 2-sink vanity area, like really massive, with tons of cubbies for storage. So that's also really great. We're in the bedroom area for this one bedroom unit, and you've got 2 nicely sized end tables with USB plugs and standard American plugs as well. Big king size bed, super comfy. And then there's no closet in here, but you do get a large armoire with a safe, so that's perfect for hanging clothes. 6 drawers here underneath the TV, which is perfect for storage. You have a desk as well, not that you really want to do any work while you're here, and you do have an extra chair in the corner. Okay, so you've seen the room, and now we are on the giant balcony. Room 5544 is on the corner, as you can tell, so this balcony is even larger than it normally would be. So we are in a standard view room here, and you know, a lot of those rooms do look out over the pool. We happened to get lucky and we have a standard view room that has what they would consider an obstructed savanna view. So there is a people pen, which if you don't know what that is from any of my other videos, it's basically a fire code. You have to have it, God forbid there was a fire, you have to have an area where that guests can go where they'll be safe. So we are in standard view, but we are overlooking Uzima Savanna right now, and we have a bunch of animals out, so that's fantastic. And we do have 4 chairs here, which is also really nice given that this room does sleep 5 people. Well, now you've seen the room, and you guys know I stay here quite a bit, so if you're interested in seeing a value 1-bedroom, a 2-bedroom, which is a lock-off, which is a studio, and a 1-bedroom standard view here at Jambo House, a 1-bedroom at Kidani, or a variety of other DVC villas and rooms, check out my channel, check out my other videos. Definitely subscribe, hit that bell, that way you'll get notified whenever I post any new content. If you thought the video was helpful, please give it a like. That way it shows up higher on the search feed for other people who are looking for the same content. And please share it with your friends if you think somebody might benefit from viewing this content. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again real soon.